World Health Organization declares highest alert over outbreak of monkeypox. COVID-19 positivity rate above 7% after 168 days, says Government of India. All-Party Hills Leader Conference had organized a joint extended meeting at Fuloni Harmon Club, Karbi Anglong. Hi and welcome to the Karbi Daily News. I'm Promila Timupi with the latest news for this morning. The monkeypox outbreak has been declared a global health emergency by the World Health Organization on 20th July 2021. It came at the end of the second meeting of the World Health Organization's Emergency Committee on the virus, and more than 16,000 cases have now been reported from 75 countries, said WHO Director General Dr. Tedros. There had been 5 deaths so far as a result of the outbreak, he added. There are only 2 other such health emergencies at present: the coronavirus pandemic and the continuing effort to eradicate polio. Dr. Tedros said the emergency committee had been unable to reach a consensus on whether the monkeypox outbreak should be classified as a global health emergency. This human monkeypox was first identified in the early 1970s in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Monkeypox is a rare disease caused by infections with the monkeypox virus. Monkeypox virus is a part of the same family of viruses as variola virus, the virus that causes smallpox. Monkeypox symptoms are similar to smallpox symptoms, but milder, and monkeypox is rarely fatal. Monkeypox is not related to chickenpox. Monkeypox was discovered in when 2 outbreaks of a pox-like disease occur in colonies of monkeys kept for research. Despite being named monkeypox, the source of the disease remains unknown. However, African rodents and non-human primates might harbor the virus and infect people. The virus can spread from person to person through direct contact with infectious rash, scabs, or body fluids. It also can be spread by respiratory secretions during prolonged face-to-face contact or during intimate physical contact, such as kissing and cuddling, etc. However, he said the outbreak had spread around the world rapidly and he had decided that it was indeed of international concern, said Dr. Tedros. The World Health Organization's assessment is that the risk of monkeypox is moderate globally and in all regions, except in the European region where we assess the risk as high, he added. James Sontiron report for International's Karbi Daily News. COVID-19 positivity rate above 7% after 168 days, says Government of India on 25th day of July 2022. According to the Union Health Ministry, data updated on Monday, India's tally of COVID-19 cases rose to 4,39,05,621, while the daily positivity rate crossed 7% again after a gap of 168 days. The active cases have declined to 1,50,877, while the death toll has climbed to 5,26,074 with 41 new fatalities. The data updated at 8 am state. Totally 87.27 crore tests have been carried out with 2,39,751 tests being conducted in a span of 24 hours. India's COVID-19 tally had crossed the grim milestones of 2 crore on May 4, 3 crore on June 23 last year, and 4 crore on January 25 this year. The 41 new fatalities include 13 from Kerala, 6 each from Maharashtra and West Bengal, 4 from Punjab, 2 each from Delhi and Sikkim, and 1 each from Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Manipur, Nagaland, Orissa, Tripura, and Uttar Pradesh. COVID vaccine-free booster shots for 18 to 59 age group for 75 days has begun from July 15 in Assam. James Sonteron on COVID-19 report Karbi Daily News. All Party Hills Leader Conference had organized a joint extended meeting at Fuloni Harmon Club, Karbi Anglong. APHLC President of Fuloni constituency, Dhoniram Timong, and other leaders attended the meeting and had a prolonged discussion on Tarabasa lamps. They resolved themselves and placed a demand to appoint new chairman in favor of APHLC. The House also mentioned the BJP members who had won the LAMS elections not to negatively act or take advantage on this matter. The House also had discussions on the upcoming ward commissioner or town committee elections and resolved themselves to participate and come up with positive results. Mirjing Hanse from Fuloni and Rahul Teran from Langhin report Karbi Daily News.
Nilitum kosonsi AP Chilsia song ke pangtang pon thegima la chingwai ponlo la pente chukadam tang ni pai pre trogar ni tarabasta lemtalong nilitum ke hai bangkho tumaphan karchoponda padopon la pente nilitum non ke wangi sitame ward commissioner ang deng tanang le bomlo la sela bang so ward commissioner along tame to che pati donji along tin ladak kado kave khuluni angka alo long kebdo la long kebdo tame nilitum ward commissioner ra chepate ponji la pende chepate dum long penitum hai pon ye ji pusinitum mening chethepon AP Chilsia song hin pen tamtang ni phai kre throgani nilitum chepate ba haidun det bang kep bang kwai dun lo bang krip khom angbong pen bang ke haidun pen nilitum non ke bangi la tarabasa lemsno ke chari poni chairman ke nilitum bapuram timu mati jongpon la pente adun thoba kanke hakim be pansi deputy chairman ke jongpon lo lapeti ni tu no ma ke April ke long lela tema tami tung April long le aprang tami ni tu ma ke April long elo pason si ni tu ma ke ning chi pon den si ni non pupe non pini pe ni tum ke jongpon dak lo non ke bang ya along tin alem kolong si tami ilitum AP Chilsia song hin pe se pai panji basi kadu kave rata tu mak phani li hin pen chune ripon si nilitum khe cirai ponengi kaya moyar bung pangtai nengi kai tami tu cepa bo be pusi tu nengi pati pon hip sini kadu wan chune ripon lo